Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you what will happen when we will photocopy the currency notes. Today here we have 50 pound, 20 pound, 10 pound and 5 pound notes. Let me give you the demonstration that what will happen when we will do copy front and back side. This is very interesting video that it shocked me when I saw the things when I tried to do that. So when I find the reason that it shocked me again, so let me share my experience with you. If you see these notes, on these notes you can see on the left side there is a tiny little rings. This is interesting thing. Normally when you can see this here on this one, you see here these tiny little circles. This is the main thing. When anybody try to photocopy these notes, there are some technicalities, there are some hidden secrets. What will happen when you will put these notes on the machine to do copy, to print out, the photocopy machine will not be able to print out these notes. This is a safety. Maybe there is some certain pattern they set it up, or maybe inside the paper there is something like that they, if anybody try to copy, they will not allow to do that. So the half of the section is not coming on the front, but when you do on the back side, the back side is on the photocopy or on the printout, it comes completely black page. Here you can see these tiny spots, a circle, little tiny circle on the front and on the back as well. This is interesting. And also this video is for you to recognize about the real notes. In my second video I will show you how to compare with the real and the fake notes. At the moment I'm just focusing on the things like about these tiny things and some other important things on the notes, which you will know that this is a real or fake note. So this is educational purposes, like you will know that okay, here let me tell you, these are the copies when I place on the photocopy: 50, 20, 10. You see on the black long strap on the left side. So this is the second copy when I tried to place only single note. Here you can see that, because here you can see this is the only section hidden with the paper, the small tiny circle, then that paper. This is the back side. You can see this is the back side. Let's start the experiment. Let me do front and a back side. First of all I will try front side. Let me put on the copier and I will give you the demonstration that what will happen when I will do a copy on the front side. Amazing, you can see that only the almost half of the part is okay, but on the left side you can see this here on the left half section is not showing. Now I'm gonna do the back side. When you will see the result of the back side, you will shocked. Let's see, let me show you. This is both sides on the same page I'm taking. See, this is the back side. When I did front and a back on the same paper, you see it is completely black. Now let me show you all three notes. 50, 20 and 10. I'm gonna do front side, and then I will show you the result, what will happen. This is 20 pound note, front. You see the center line? You see when I turned around, you see this one is showing you the different values which is hidden on that. And this is 50 pound note. Here you can see also this green strap. When you will move around, it will change, like 50, 50 or pound sign will be inside. You will be able to easily see. This is the back side. On the back side, on the right side, you can see there are some tiny circles. You see here. At the moment, I'm just doing only front sides of all of the notes. Now I'm gonna do just only the one side, front side. Let's see. Here is the result. And you see on all of the notes, the right side is okay, but on the left side it's not showing because of that tiny circles. That tiny circles, there is something, maybe is on the paper on that side, or maybe something else. But this is amazing that on the copier, when you try to do copy, there's nothing showing on the that side. This is a technique, this is a thing that to avoid the photocopy or print out the currency note. So at the moment I just only turn the face up of the 20 pound note. The other two notes are on the same side. So one note I just change the direction, and let's see what will happen. Boom, look. The whole page is black. Amazing. Look, something is more powerful on the back side. One side, when you do like a front side, you can see half of the side, but when you put any single note on the back, all of the page is blank, all of the page is black. Let me put all notes on the back side on the screen, and now I'm gonna do a copy. Let's see what will happen. Boom, look. Ooh, all of the page is black. This is a security about nobody can do a copy of the note. So then if this will be not the case, so then anybody can do a color print and take it to the market and try to give everybody on the shops. So this is the thing that they create a security. Now I'm gonna do some other pattern, one note on the front and two on the back. One thing I observed, any currency note which I will put on the back side, so the whole page will be black. So this is the way you can also check the currency note. If anybody give you the fake note, look, this is the full page is black. So this is a technique. You can also check that if anybody give you any black like a fake note, you can try to do a copy. Now let me show you one thing. At the moment I'm just hiding the small tiny circles with the small paper. I'm not covering the full length. I'm just doing a half of the length of the note to just see that what will happen if I will do the half of the section to cover. And I will share it with you. Let's see. So at the moment I'm just doing with the other currency notes only on the back of the side. Look, the whole page is black. Why? Because some of the notes are on the back. Now I'm going to do only a 150-pound note. Let's see. You see, it's the same thing. Now I'm gonna do cover the upper section as well, and let's see what will happen. So I'm just putting a glue on that and covering the section to see that what will happen when I will cover the whole section of the small tiny circles. Let's see. Boom, look, that only section when I did hide with the paper, look, everything is okay. So only that thing is not showing. So this is the amazing thing which is about these tiny yellow circles. You see, when I put that one, so then the whole thing is okay. This is the side when I printed without the paper hidden, without hiding any circles. You see here when I did 20, 50, 20 and 10-pound notes. Amazing. This is the security to protect the people's innocent people who basically on the shops they will take like a black they will take fake notes. So this is the security that to protect them. I hope that you like my videos. I hope you like my video, and I'm gonna bring a next video for the comparison with the fake and real notes. I will show you what to do and how to recognize that this is fake or real note. So this is important thing that in the market many people's they are bringing the fake note and giving to the shopkeepers, and these innocent shopkeepers, they are taking that note and give them the stuff, and when they notice that this is a fake, so they face trouble. So it means they lose double, like a 20-pound, and also the things the other person took it. So it means, for example, if somebody gave the 20-pound note and took the 20-pound stuff, it means he get 20-pound fake note plus he lose 20-pound stuff. So it means he get he lose about 40-pound stuff. One more thing, I will share a very important thing share with you. What will happen when you will get a fake note and you will go to the bank? What will happen? So for that things, please wait for my next video, and I request you to share it, to please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and share with your friends and family members. Thank you very much. Back to London. Thank you. Bye.